Big bada boom.
Easy go.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Shoot Where I Live. My name is Joe. I want to thank you for stopping by. We've kind of been doing some adulting stuff this last week. We're getting our house ready to sell, trying to find a new house to purchase, and I haven't had a lot of time. So I came up here really quick today. Just going to do something fun. Going to make something go boom. We got our Tannerite that we're going to mix up. Got an old refrigerant refill tank that we're going to strap it to. Make it go boom. Let's do it. Mix up the Tannerite. Try not to spill any of it. Get all that powder in there. Making explosives. Transfer that. Definitely don't spill any of this. This is the good stuff now. Alright, so this is what goes boom. Got her all strapped up, ready to go. We're going to take her up the hill. It's kind of foggy today. Hopefully you guys will be able to see it with the camera, but let's make it go boom. Alright guys, here we go. Ready? Big bada boom. Nice. Let's go see what happened. Big bada boom. So that was a half-pound Tannerite, is what that was. Coming up to it here in a second. Let's check on the GoPro. GoPro got moved a little bit, but looks like it's still intact. Let's see. Well, that didn't do much of anything to this. That's extremely interesting. We got a boom and we got some hiss, you know? Next time, I guess we're just going to have to go bigger. Make sure you clean all your firearms with Shooter Lube products. Go down to the link in the comment section below. At checkout, use the discount code SRL5 to get 5% off of your purchase, and you'll be supporting Shoot Where I Live at the same time, which I cannot tell you how much I appreciate. Subscribe to the channel, like the video with a big old thumbs up, get the bell on, ding ding, and I appreciate all you guys. I'm Joe with Shoot Where I Live, and I'm out.